On this day, June 11th, we remember significant moments in history that have left an indelible mark on culture, courage, and global events. Among these is the premiere of one of the most beloved films, the initiation of a historic sports tournament, and a powerful act of protest. Let's delve into the impactful events that occurred on this date. In 1982, a cinematic masterpiece directed by Steven Spielberg hit theaters, E.T. the Extra-Terrestrial. This heartwarming tale follows a young boy who befriends a stranded alien. The film captivated audiences across the globe, becoming a cultural phenomenon. With its profound themes of friendship and acceptance, E.T. broke box office records and secured its place in cinematic history as one of the most cherished films ever made. Its iconic scenes and unforgettable music continue to resonate with viewers of all ages. Fast forward to 2010, when the world tuned into an unprecedented event, the FIFA World Cup, held for the first time in Africa. This monumental tournament took place in South Africa, showcasing the continent's rich culture and vibrant spirit. The games were marked by passionate fans, electrifying atmosphere, and the sound of vuvuzelas echoing throughout stadiums. This historic World Cup served not only as a sporting event, but also as a celebration of African unity and diversity, leaving an enduring legacy and inspiring future generations of athletes. In stark contrast to the joy of sports, June 11th also marks a profound moment of protest. In 1963, Thích Quảng Đức, a Vietnamese Buddhist monk, staged a dramatic self-immolation in Saigon. His tragic act was a response to the severe persecution of Buddhists in South Vietnam. The harrowing images of his self-sacrifice captured the attention of the world, igniting outrage and bringing international focus to the struggle for religious freedom. This moment became one of the most iconic and haunting images of the 20th century, symbolizing the fight against oppression and the quest for justice. Also in 1963, two courageous individuals, Vivian Malone and James Hood, made history by becoming the first black students to enroll at the University of Alabama. Their enrollment was met with fierce resistance, yet it marked a pivotal moment in the American civil rights movement. This act of bravery not only represented a significant step toward educational equality, but also illustrated the ongoing fight against segregation and discrimination in the United States. Their determination inspired countless others to continue the struggle for civil rights and equality. In a different sphere of innovation, on June 11, 1935, Edwin Howard Armstrong conducted the first public demonstration of FM radio technology. This groundbreaking advancement provided clearer sound quality and reduced interference compared to earlier radio systems. Armstrong's work laid the foundation for what would become the standard for high-quality radio broadcasting worldwide. FM radio transformed how we experience music, news, and entertainment, becoming an integral part of daily life and communication. As we reflect on these events from June 11th, we see a tapestry woven from creativity, courage, and innovation. From memorable cinematic moments to courageous protests for justice and advances in communication to landmark actions for equality, this day serves as a reminder of the powerful forces that shape our world. Each event encapsulates a piece of human experience, highlighting not only the struggles, but also the triumphs that define our collective history. As we move forward, these stories continue to inspire us to strive for a better future, reminding us that history is not just a series of dates, but a continuous narrative of resilience and hope. Join us in celebrating these milestones and subscribe for more daily history videos that shine a light on the moments that have shaped our past and continue to influence our present and future.